Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GNUS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, overall, not a whole lot to, I should take a step back. Nothing new to really talk about, but definitely we have confirmation that the levels that have been talked about in past videos are extremely important and are extremely, they're playing a big role. And the big role that, and for those of you that watch the past videos, you probably know exactly what price level I'm about to talk about here. But talk about a stubborn, annoying area, which is that red line there, which I've talked about in the past, right there at $2.20. And what we learned about $2.20 today is it's extra annoying because it's one of those areas where it'll allow the price to get up above it. So right there, allow the price to get up above it. Right there, allow the price to get up above it. But the tricky part is, but then just says, hey, just kidding, and back down the price went. Hey, just kidding, and back down the price went. So moving forward, the key dynamic here to keep in mind is that just because the price may get up above $2.20, I'd still be a little bit skeptical because the price needs to at least prove itself now that it's a true break. And again, prove itself is nothing fancy, just a matter of, well, can the price, yeah, sure, it got above 220, but can the price actually stay up above it? So that's what I mean when I say prove itself. So that'll be one of those areas where you'll have to be very, very, kind of leery around there, just because you don't want to see the price fake you out, because there's and rightfully so. I mean, it makes sense. I can see people getting faked out there. So it's just one of those annoying levels from more so the tricky standpoint. And then as far as areas of resistance are concerned, if 220 can be broken, you then have that secondary level up there, that red line, which sits at $2.30. As far as areas of support are concerned, the good news is both of the levels I've talked about in the past, that green line there, and then the purple line right there, the 50-period moving average. I mean, the price didn't even come close to testing those. So really the main dynamic going forward is still all about that $2.20 mark and whether or not the price can actually get a true break from it or not. So let's see how this one plays out on Wednesday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.